So during the past 5 years, I've created, launched, and scaled more than 40 courses on Udemy, generated tens of thousands of dollars. And in this video right here, I'm gonna show you on a step-by-step process how to literally make more money in the platform. Now, here's the biggest problem that beginners on Udemy face. They think that the only way to make more money in Udemy is to pretty much enroll more people and gain more enrollments. And that's not wrong, but there's actually one more way to exponentially increase the amount of money that you're making with your courses on Udemy without needing to enroll more people. And I'm going to reveal this secret method that I have been using during the past 5 years to 5x or 10x the normal amount of money that I would make on Udemy in the end of this video. But let's start with actually the first way to obviously make more money on Udemy, which is to enroll more people in your courses. Now, regarding enrolling more people in your courses, there are two ways to go about it. The first one is to obviously master Udemy's organic algorithm. And here's the first tip for you. In order to have Udemy boost your course and promote your course in platform, right? So again, without you needing to do any marketing, if you just want to have your course in platform on Udemy, upload the course, and then just leave it there to gain enrollments, the only thing that Udemy really cares about is the conversion rate in your course. And what the conversion rate is, it's the percentage of people that enrolled the course and paid for the course compared to the people who just viewed the course in the landing page. So if you want your course to be promoted inside of the platform and to gain more enrollments, again, organically inside of Udemy, the main thing that you need to take care about is the conversion rate. Now, there are many ways to increase your conversion rate. So pretty much enroll a bigger amount of people that view your landing page on Udemy. The first one is to obviously gain good reviews and pile up good reviews to your course. This is a persuasive factor that will make more people enroll to the course after seeing your introductory video. And this is an awesome transition to the second way to increase your conversion rate. So to make more people that view your landing page enroll to the course, and this is by creating an awesome introductory video. So I have multiple videos in this channel right here in which I guide you through creating the perfect introductory video. And if you want more information about this, you can also check out like the full masterclass that I have in the first link in the description. But you need to have an awesome introductory video if you want to boost the conversion rate, right? And the final and bulletproof way to increase the conversion rate and increase the conversion rate massively of your course is to actually contact people that you know that are intrigued by your content and are very interested in the transformation that you offer in your course. Ask them if they want to enroll in the course in the first place, and then once they're ready to enroll, directly share the link with them to enroll to your course. You pretty much know that 100% of the people that you will be sharing this link with, right, will be enrolling to your course. And this will mean that you're gonna have a 100% conversion rate. Even if you enroll 5 or 10 people with this method, the percentage that you will gain in your average conversion rate in your course will be extremely high. So this is an awesome way to boost your course, if you will, organically inside of Udemy. So the second way to enroll more students in your course and obviously grow your income this way is to organically market your course by yourself. And this is very easy. This is very straightforward. All you need to do is repurpose some of the course lessons or even shoot more videos and start uploading them on social media platforms. You can use YouTube, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram. What I would suggest you is to create 10-minute long form videos on YouTube, just like the video that you're watching right now, in which you just provide free value. And if people are interested, you can link your Udemy course in the first link in the description. So again, this is super easy, super straightforward. You already know what you're going to be talking about because like it's the same content you have on your course, but just distributed for free on YouTube. I have again a full guide on how to do this in the channel right here. And once you link your Udemy course in the first link in the description and people purchase this course through your personal link, you actually get a 97% commission of every sale, which is a awesome and very fair deal if you ask me, because it costs absolutely nothing to create a course and absolutely nothing to host this course on Udemy, which means that it's just risk-free for you. So I think that now it's time to reveal the secret second method that I have been using for the past 5 years to exponentially increase the revenue that I'm making on Udemy without needing to enroll more students. And this method involves you increasing the lifetime value of each student that enrolls to your course on Udemy. So how do we increase the lifetime value of every single student that enrolls in one of our courses on Udemy? Pretty much there are two ways to do this, and I'm going to be revealing these two ways right now. The first way is to cross-enroll people from one course of yours to other courses that you have. So if you position yourself correctly and if you follow my advice, each course of yours should solve a problem that the students want to solve in the first place. But whenever a problem is solved, another problem comes up, right? And this is organically, this depends on human nature. So when this new problem arises after solving the primary problem with your course, a smart course creator should have another course uploaded that will solve the second problem and will just seamlessly funnel one student from one course of yours to the other course of yours to the other course of yours, of course guided from value, right? So if you manage to provide correct value in one of your courses, students will enroll to more of your courses. And here's a small tip for you. If you manage to link your personal link, so cross-enroll people from one course of yours to other courses of yours with this personal link, the same link that we used to market organically our courses on YouTube, you will be gaining a 97% commission from every cross-enrollment that you make. Cross-enrolling students from one course to the other is a very, very easy and very, very potent way to exponentially increase your income on Udemy. Trust me, it is a system that it's very easy to apply. And once you apply it to your Udemy profile, you will see easily a 30% revenue increase. So now the second way to increase the lifetime value of your students is pretty much to upsell them to something else. And the coolest thing and easiest thing to upsell students to is a high ticket product, right? A high ticket product. And you're very lucky because if someone has purchased for your course and viewed this course for the past 6 hours or 10 hours, these people are super engaged, and it's super easy to upsell them to higher ticket products. This means one-on-one coaching, communities, right? And you can charge for these things, and you can charge even 100 times more than the cost of your course for these things, because obviously they're more intimate and you're solving like all of the problems of your target avatar and this higher ticket products, right? So these are two ways to increase the lifetime value of your students. The first one is to cross-enroll them from one course to the other. The second one is to upsell them to high ticket products. And guess what? It's super easy to set up a high ticket product. Only thing you need is pretty much a link for someone to book a call with you. You close them in the sales calls and you provide value in one-on-one calls. So if you found value in this video, I urge you to check out the first link in the description, in which you can access the Course Creation Academy. And inside the Course Creation Academy, I pretty much share all of the secrets that I learned through trial and error. You can check out the first link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.